In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google to get to the official WooCommerce site, navigate to the extensions area, search for a specific tool, and open its product page with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word WooCommerce. This is the quickest way to land on the official site, even if you don't remember the exact web address. When the results appear, look for the official WooCommerce listing. It should clearly reference the WooCommerce brand, and the domain should end with woocommerce.com. This matters because there are many lookalike pages and ads. Clicking the official result ensures you're in the right place, with current information and safe downloads. Go ahead and click the WooCommerce search result to open the homepage. Give the page a second to load, and make sure you can see the familiar navigation menu. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to tap the menu icon to reveal the site sections. The layout can vary slightly by region or device, but the options are consistent. Next, locate the extensions section from the top, navigation, and open it. This takes you to the WooCommerce marketplace, where all the official and vetted add-ons live. This is the best starting point when you're looking to expand your store's capabilities, because everything here is organized, searchable, and has clear documentation. If a banner or pop-up appears, you can simply continue to the marketplace page. We're just browsing today. Once you're in the marketplace, find the search field and type the exact phrase, "Extend B2B, product tables for WooCommerce." Using the full name helps narrow the results so you don't have to scroll through similar listings. If you see filters, make sure you're viewing products rather than blog posts or guides. A precise search saves time and helps you land on the correct listing quickly. When the search results load, select the listing for Extend B2B. Product tables for WooCommerce. Clicking it opens the product page where you can review everything important, like a feature overview, compatibility notes, screenshots, documentation links, and pricing details. Take a moment to verify it matches your needs and your current WooCommerce version, and bookmark the page if you plan to return. That's it. You used Google to reach the official WooCommerce site, navigated to extensions, searched for the tool by name, and opened its product page. Pause here if you want to follow along, and you'll be right on track.